guys, Zone 7. Zone 7 is welcome to board at this time. We're on a little hair gate 37A.
They tend to put it on 11 for the need for the baby flight. What do you look for? Yeah. What's that missing for?
Hello everyone, from the flight tech captain speaking. Like to welcome you to flight 2267 to San Francisco. In a few minutes here, we'll push back to the gate. We'll be underway. En route time today is only 56 minutes from takeoff to touchdown. It's 61 degrees in San Francisco. Right now, due to runway conditions in San Francisco, they have a couple runways closed, so they have a volume program, if you will, going into San Francisco. So what will happen is we're going to push back to the gate. We'll taxi near the runway, and then our release time at the moment is in about 25 minutes. So a lot of times they'll let us go sooner. So if everyone remains seated, we'll be ready to go to blast off as soon as possible. But other than that, that's one for board.
Locate the nearest exits, and remember, they might be behind you. If we lose power, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit.
It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, oxygen masks will drop from the panels above your seat and inside the lavatories. Reach up and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face covering and place the mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing, so don't worry if the bag doesn't inflate. Be sure to adjust your own mask before helping others.
A water evacuation is also unlikely, but just in case, life vests are in a compartment beneath or adjacent to your seat. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then opening the pouch. Slip the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, attach it to the buckle in front, and adjust securely around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom, or manually inflate it by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest. For children under 35 pounds, place the vest around their waist and secure the strap between the legs. See your safety card for more information. Additional life vests for in-lab children are in a marked compartment at the front of the plane. We'll distribute these vests if necessary.
Before takeoff, bring your seat to its up position and start your tray table. Be sure you fasten your seatbelt low and tight across your lap. Carry-on items are secured, and armrests are at the resting position.
Finally, take a moment to review the safety information card in your seat pocket. As we finish our safety check, please let us know if you have any questions.
As we get ready for takeoff, please settle in. And from all of our crew, we appreciate you and thank you for flying with Delta.
Thank you for paying attention to this important safety message.
You're flying our most connected aircraft to date, equipped with fast, free Delta Sync Wi-Fi and Delta Sync seatback, all available for free with your SkyMiles membership. Use your personal device to sign in to Delta Sync Wi-Fi and enjoy access to unlimited streaming, browsing, and messaging, plus exclusive offers and experiences from brands you love. Go to deltawifi.com using your browser. Sign in with your SkyMiles account. If you don't have a SkyMiles account, it's fast and free to sign up. But the connection doesn't stop there. Our Delta Sync seatback screen brings a smarter, more personalized experience right to your seat. We've got you covered with real-time travel updates and connecting flight information, plus thousands of hours of new movies and trending series with recommendations just...
card and pass them to the flight attendants as we come to the cabin. We will be landing shortly. Welcome to San Francisco, where the local time is 2:51 p.m. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened and carry-on items stowed until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injuries from items that may have shifted during flight, and please ensure you have all of your personal belongings before deplaning. As we reach our gate, we invite you to use the Fly Delta app for important baggage and connection information. For customers requesting a wheelchair on arrival, we will advise you upon reaching the gate when assistance is available to disembark the aircraft. You may receive an email asking you to share your feedback. We value and use your responses to improve your future travel experiences. On behalf of this Seattle-based crew, thank you for choosing Delta, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Flight attendants, disarm doors for arrival, cross-check, and I'll call.